Hello, welcome to Sussex Campervans. Daniel here, and it's a lovely sunny day. Oh, it's not. It's pouring with rain, actually. It's been pouring with rain all day, and we've nipped up to the Talk Moto Cafe here on our trading estate for a quick coffee and a cake. But it hasn't stopped us, because in a campervan, the weather really doesn't matter. In fact, it's more fun to be snug and smug inside your campervan when people doing other things are getting soaking wet and cold. This is a video tour of our Paradise Compact VXE. It's a superb campervan for people who can see why it's better than the conventional side kitchen layout. You see, with a side kitchen campervan, all the action's down the one side and you sleep on the rock and roll bed on the other side. But with this kind of campervan, we've got a separate kitchen at the back, a seating area in the middle, and you use all the space. Simply unclip these catches and press the up button. We built the Compact on the superb Renault Trafic. It's an award-winning van, so comfortable, so easy to drive, so reliable, such good fuel economy. They're a manual and automatic. They come very highly specified. We love them. I've owned several myself. You have the option of either a single or a double swivelling passenger seat. So here's the lounge set up in day mode, relaxing space for 4 or 5 people. These seats even drop into sofa benches as well, giving you space for 7 or 8. With all the benches down like this, it's a massive space for entertainment on the campsite. You can use it like this, 2 single beds, or put in these centerpieces to make a king-size bed. This gives you a huge bed for a campervan. There's so much room to relax in. You're not cramped in any way. You can flip this handy shelf up to put your phone on, your cup of coffee, or even your dentures. This is an excellent campervan kitchen, if I say so myself. There's so much room, there are so many facilities, and it's completely separate from the sleeping and seating area. One advantage of our VXE system is there's full-time mains power, so I can use this microwave wherever I am to make my hot chocolate. There's a full 50-litre fridge, room for 4 pints of milk in the door, proper ice compartment for those chalk ices and ice cubes for your gin and tonic. The electric system is all controlled from here. 4 separate lighting circuits, circuit breakers instead of fuses so you never get caught out, the fridge, the water pump, there's charging for your phones and everything with this auxiliary circuit, and here's the control for the full power inverter that gives you that full-time mains power. There's a lovely range of illuminated cupboards here too, and this bottom cupboard houses a chemical toilet, available for you to use at night. We've got a triple socket that pops up in this corner, which is really handy and doesn't take too much space. Induction cooking, so it has all the controllability and speed of gas with none of the risk. And there's an attractive round sink with a tap that actually pulls out. You can use it in shower mode or you can use it in pour mode, which gives you options. And the pipe on here is long enough to pull out the back and wash the dog. This shelf lets you put an iPad or a phone to follow a recipe or even watch something on YouTube while you're cooking, and the cable threads through here to a USB charging point the other side. Of course, there's lots of kitchen storage. There's a handy cutlery drawer here, big cupboards for pots and pans, all illuminated, makes it so easy to find what you want. Here's the control for the induction cooker, and new for the VXE is this handy counter space that flaps up and gives you more space when you're cooking. There's a handy space for camping essentials there, a rear cupboard here, and this is where the water goes. You can roll that tank out, it's got wheels, and fill it anywhere. You don't need hoses or special fitments. So there it is, the Paradise Compact VXE model with full-time mains power, no gas, optional electric roof. You must come and see it at Sussex Campervans. Click the link below this video, book a time. We'd love to talk to you, we'd love to show it to you. See you soon.